Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for UPBASE in 2025. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the UPBASE website. This is the starting point of your journey to becoming an UPBASE user. Now, you might be wondering why we start here. It's because this is the platform's main hub where all of their services are offered. Next up, locate and click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. This helps us because it leads us directly to the registration page, the heart of the sign-up process. Once you're on the registration page, you'll need to provide some basic information. This typically includes your full name, email address, and a password. The reason we do this is to create a unique account that's specifically tailored to you. Let me explain why this matters. It's crucial for your security and personalization on the platform. After entering your details, it's time to verify your email. UPBASE will send a verification link to the email address you provided. Click on this link to confirm that the email address is yours. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This step is important as it helps UPBASE ensure that you're a valid user and not a bot. The final step. Set up your profile. You might be asked to provide additional information like your occupation, phone number, and any relevant skills. This helps UPBASE tailor its platform to your preferences and needs. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now that we've done that, you're officially a member of the UPBASE community. Remember, the reason we sign up for platforms like UPBASE is to access specific services they offer. In this case, UPBASE provides a great platform for collaboration and project management. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every sign-up is a step towards greater efficiency and productivity. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.